Earlier we had the toss and the coin went up. Another captain winning the toss and choosing to bowl first. Corey Anderson will be backing his seamers.
Just squeezed a little bit of bat on that. Not going to be perfect. Oh, there's the first boundary. Nice store in choppers. Oh, it's gone through for 4.
He's ended up tumbling.
Oh, been given and looked really close. Jermaine Lindo says, yeah.
Yeah, this looked pretty good to me, and in fact, he's just going to trudge off. It was a slow finger raise of death. Chopper has gone for 8. It's 10 for 1.
That's a tremendous stroke.
And the runs continue to flow against the bowling of Harris Ralph in the power play. That will be 6. No doubt about that one. Wow, that is innovation at its finest. We've seen this before from Monak Patel. Yeah, the coach unfortunately may have jinxed him. Monak Patel again looking to press on in the middle overs. He went up to 62 miles per hour in the over. This one 58. Just a subtle change. Patel not nailing it. Monak Patel goes for 20, 68 for 2.
Captain of the MI New York franchise in at number 4. Quinton de Kock is happy to pick it up and deposit it in to the leg side. That soars to the sky, sets the fireworks flying here at the Coliseum in Major League Cricket. It down the ground towards long off, and Harris Ralph holds on. Not the prettiest of catches, but a very effective one. And the low full toss is good enough for Nicholas Boran.
Boran makes 5, it's 94 for 3.
Good player, Michael Bracewell. And this is exactly why, despite the athletic effort in the deep, you don't want to bowl the left arm spinner. Well, it might have just bought him a wicket, and it's a big wicket of Quinton de Kock. Jake Fraser McGurk takes the catch. He was looking to go bang bang. He'll get 6, and then he'll get out. Hassan Khan has 2.
Kock makes 63, it's 102 for 4.
Tyrone Pollard to the crease.
Left-hander takes on the left arm spinner. This is good from Bracewell. Partnership batting. And that was hitting with the turn into the shorter boundary. Balls everywhere, as Danny Morrison says.
You're right, Harris Ralph. The extra pace again. 88 miles an hour.
The only problem is his reach. Even when you bowl wide or you think it's wide, he still hits you straight. That's wide, and that's swatted. Oh, did very well, the fast bowler Harris Ralph. Whether you put a fielder there, you don't put a fielder there, a man that can hit the ball like that, it doesn't matter.
Carmine LaRue gets it in the right area.
30 from 16.
Sunny Patel walks to the crease. Right, this has gone very, very high. He's going backwards, is Cooper Connolly, and he made that look very easy. That is not easy. It's gone high, he backpedals and finds the right base. Yeah, very good from Bartlett. That is very, very good. Oh, that's not. Given away the extra run, didn't need to do that. San Francisco Unicorns have said they wanted to bowl first. Now they've got to see if they can chase 183. It is not going to be an easy chase, but they have got batters who are in form and could do it.
And Finn Allen, he's in the form of his life.
Tim Cypher, he's been quiet. in the first 2 games.
We're all set for what should be a really entertaining second innings. Immediate movement, clipped around the corner, and good enough to get 4. Hooked for 6. And Phil Allen, he's not just happy with the 6, he wants even a bit more than that. Don't want to bowl there though, that's a half volley. And that's simply... This could be gone. Manan Patel holds on, it's the big one. The one that MI New York wanted.
His angle always comes into the right-hander. Finn Allen tried to give himself room to be able to hit it over third. He departs for 13, Unicorns, 19 for 1.
Here comes Jake Fraser-McGurk. He's in at number 3. Well, Fraser-McGurk might just have been bounced out. He has. Quinton de Kock was always going to catch that.
Now 20 for 2.
Sanjay Krishnamurthy comes to the crease. He's in at number 4. Now listen to the siren in the background. Exactly what he does, but the no ball will cost just the 1 run. Oh, now this could be off the glove. It's all too easy right now for MI New York. Krishnamurthy perishes, looking to help one round the corner. And it's the easiest of catches again for Quinton de Kock. Young Cooper Connolly walks to the crease. His side are in a very difficult position.
Almost had his second Lexus power play wicket. I wonder if Naveen Woolhack is okay. Waited on it, picked the slower delivery, put it away. Four in the power play. Another strike for Isan Adil, the 3rd seamer to be in the wickets for MI New York.
Exceeding the edge into the wicket keeper.
Hassan Khan. Especially with shots like this and stars like Hassan Khan.
I'll see you later. Hassan Khan is last on, sends that to the DJ. Close of over number 10.
Yeah, big boom.
Well, Hassan Khan, he's hit plenty, and this one might be the biggest of the lot. Another massive 6 to send him into the 40s. Is that it? Is that it? Sunny Patel thinks so.
Into the heavens, Hassan Khan. Centre stage walks the captain, Corey Anderson.
Man out there, straight to him. And Poran loves it. He knows the data, so do we.
2 set batters are gone, 33 for Seifert, it's 108 for 6.
Xavier Bartlett in at number 8. That's more like it. Bartlett gets one right where he wants it. Flies all the way for 6. Gets it full enough, but a diving stop isn't affected. Trent Bolt goes again. The game swings again, and it's thanks to big Xavier Bartlett, the 2nd maximum in the over.
These things can change so quickly.
Down the ground, going to be more. I think it's gone all the way. Now Anderson gets in the act, but he hasn't got enough of it. He holds out. It's Bracewell that takes the...
It's 9, 145 for 7.
Only averaging 7 in his career is Harris Rauf.
So this is a roll of the dice.
And send a message on this. And gap, yes. Swatted. Oh, no. What is that? A smart batting, just take the 1. That's all you want, is it? Well, we're going to come back for 2. Even with the injury. 50 to Xavier Bartlett. His first in T20. What a time to do it.
They can remove Xavier Bartlett.
Mishit. Over waist high for the batter. Cricket lovers. Brilliant. Up, keep running. Don't have to. It's gone for 4. That's a cracker. Bowlers with no balls will tell you they want to get a Yorker right, and on the stumps. Oh, fetch this, baby! It's out of here! All the way from Xavier Bartlett. What a fitting way to finish match number 6 here in the Cognizant MLC in season 3. The Unicorns. You mentioned Lisa Sthalekar, they are now the Orange Army. Have won by 3 wickets with 5 balls to spare. Oh, simply outstanding.